Welcome to Easy Learning with Poonam Jain. Today we will learn to multiply whole numbers by fractions and fractions by fractions. Suppose I have 15 pencils. I want to give 1/3 of the pencils to Ritvik. How many pencils I can give to Ritvik? Let's calculate. I will have to find 1/3 of 15. Now 1/3 of 15 means I will multiply 1/3 by 15. Now as you can see, there is no denominator. To change 15 into a fraction, we will put 1 as denominator. 15 को fractional form में लाने के लिए हम denominator में 1 लिखेंगे. Now we will multiply numerators by numerators and denominators by denominator. That means 1 multiplied by 15 is 15 and 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Now we have got the fraction 15 by 3. Now we will bring it to its lowest form. हम इसको इसकी lowest form में लेकर आएंगे. And for that we will divide 15 by 3. 3 5s are 15. That means 1/3 of 15 is 5. So Ritvik will get 5 pencils. Now if I want to give 2/5 of pencils to Shiva, how many pencils will Shiva get? Let's calculate. 2 by 5 of 15, that means 2 by 5 multiplied by 15. Now because no denominator is given here, we will write 1 as denominator. Now we will multiply the numerators. 15 2s are 30 and now we will multiply the denominators. 5 1s are 5. Now we will divide 30 by 5. Now we know 5 6s are 30. That means 2/5 of 15 is 6. That means Shiva will get 6 pencils. So this way we can multiply whole numbers by fractions. We can also multiply a fraction by another fraction. Let's take an example. 5 by 14 multiplied by 7 by 15. 5 upon 14 को हमने 7 upon 15 से multiply करना है. Now there are two ways to multiply that. One is we can simply multiply the numerator by numerator, that is 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35 and 14 multiplied by 15. For this we will have to multiply 15 by 14 or 14 by 15. Let's see that. 14 5s are 70, 14 1s are 14 plus 7 21. So our denominator is 210. Now we can bring this fraction into its lowest term. We can divide numerator and denominator both by 5 and in result we will get 5 7s are 35 and 210 divided by 5 will be 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10. 7 upon 42 and it can be further reduced. Let's divide it by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 42 divided by 7 is 6. So this way we have got our answer as 1 upon 6. 5 upon 14 multiplied by 7 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon 6. There is another simpler way to solve this. We can divide these 5 and 15. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and same way 7 and 14 can be divided. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Now we can multiply these numerators. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 and here denominators are 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6 and we have got our answer. Same like above, but this is a much simpler way to solve it. So children, whichever the way you find it easier, you can follow that. Let's take another example. 6 multiplied by 2 by 7. Now first of all we will write 1 as denominator to bring it into a fractional form and now we will multiply numerators. 6 2s are 12. Now we will multiply denominators. 7 1s are 7. So this way we have got the fraction 12 by 7. Now because it is an improper fraction, we will change it into a mixed number. For that we will divide 12 by 7. 7 1s are 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. So our fraction will be, this 1 will become whole, this 5 will become numerator and denominator will remain same. So we have got our answer as 1 5 by 7. Children, when we multiply any fraction by 0, we will get 0 in result. For example, 1 by 3 multiplied by 0 will be equal to 0. But when we multiply any fraction by 1, we will get same fraction as result. Let's take 1 by 3 again and multiply it by 1. We will get 1 by 3 in result. So if we multiply any fraction by 1, we will get the same fraction as result. So children, that's all for today. Thank you so much.